Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own waist beads. This is an important essential to my fitness journey because it helped me to maintain my waistline. If it's getting loose on me, that pretty much means my waist is getting smaller. If it's getting tighter, I'm simply gaining. You can make any color, size, and style at your convenience. All of the materials I'm going to use can be found at your local Joann's Fabric or Walmart. I went to Walmart, but I do recommend Joann's Fabric for more selections. So you're gonna need a scissor. The thread you use is very important. The Wildfire thread is waterproof, very strong, it has no stretch to it, and it can fit all bead size. They come in black and white, but the color don't really matter unless you're using clear beads. A measuring tape if you're making it for someone else. Pair of screws. Beading wire, the 0.3mm is best for any size. Hard beading needles you can buy, but this is the best method for me because it gives me more flexibility and I really don't have to worry about losing it. And any beads of your choice. Since I'm making it for myself, I'm going ahead and using the thread to measure my waist. Double the thread to make a loop, leaving 2 to 4 inches of extra thread to have enough grip when you're making the knot. The screws does come with a hook, but I don't like to use it because my string is very thin and it can slip out. So go ahead, cut it off. Take the end of the thread and pass it through the hole from the flat end of the screw. Tie the thread as many times to make a knot bigger than the hole. Cut the amount of wire you need. Pass it through the loop. I like to use different size beads. I also choose a pattern and stick with it. I am adding 2 red and 2 gold. The bigger the beads you have, the faster you will finish. When you're done, pass the wire through the flat end of the other piece of screw and tie a secure knot. Cut off the extra thread. The best part about having screws is the advantage of taking it on and off whenever you want. I'm going to add 2 more waist beads to this. I'm pretty much using the same method 3 times. You can use different screws for each color, but I'm using one to make it more of a set. I have a Facebook page listed in the description. If you want some ideas or if you want to just purchase from me, you can go and check it out, but it's listed in there. All set now. You can go ahead and make your own, whether it's being for a business or just for yourself or a friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and let me know how I'm doing, and also subscribe for more videos. And as always, thank you for stopping by the Cycle of Masa.